not too far off now. We should be arriving at Seal Rocks around 3:15. Really looking forward to it.
In 500 meters, the destination is on your right. Reflections Holiday Park, Seal Rocks.
Here it is. Look at the water. Oh, I love it. Just going for my very first run of the year. I thought if we're going to be doing all of this hiking and walking and stuff, I need to get fit. And here's Mark having a fish. Hi honey. Any nibbles?
Yeah, got a couple. There's a lot of bait fish here on the edge, so I'm hoping the bait fish will attract some bigger fish.
Well, I hope so too.
Just walking back up the beach and taking a sneaky photo with Jeanette. She's operating the drone. Been having a lot of fun with the drone, getting used to it and working out all the controls and I guess mastering it in terms of quality because we've been a bit haphazard the first few attempts. But we're getting there, it's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun. So here we are at Takeaway Chaos. This is Melissa.
Hi there! Come to Takeaway Chaos where the burgers are bigger and you can't get any better.
I love it.
Thank you.
So we've just climbed up to the top of the lighthouse here at Seal Rocks. We've come to what's called the Lighthouse Cottages. And these are managed by New South Wales National Parks. And you can actually stay here and rent these out, you know, the holiday letting. Awesome views up here. So just walking around the front of the lighthouse now to get to the headland. And you can see this is the beautiful ocean come to too as well. It's just nice and sunny. You can just sit here and overlook the ocean. So these are the famous Seal Rocks, which guides ships and yachts in respect to navigation.
Oh, the office is there.
There's the beach just right there.
Here we are down at Treachery. Just going for a bit of a walk, trying to find a cup of coffee actually, but we've come across a car that's actually bogged over here. So it's still drizzling rain. Some vans, is there? Oh really? Nice. There's some van sites. Cabins look really nice down here though. You haven't found the coffee yet? So we just had to ask the lady where to go to get the coffee. Glad we asked because we were about to head in the opposite direction. But here it is down here. So we're looking forward to it. A nice cuppa. Look what we've found. Still got the coffee going.
And this fireplace has been burning all night, I'd say. Some big logs on it, and it's glowing red, the embers, giving off so much heat. So this is a real blessing because it's damn cold. And I was just saying to Jeanette as well, if you look around you can see the ruts in the ground here where the water has ran off last night. They said they got 160 odd millimetres of rain here. But down the back behind the paper barks, there's basically a swamp now. There's a creek down there, but it's past being a creek, it's a swamp.
Let's go for a walk and have a look.
Go over this way.
Yep. Oh, wow. That is a swamp. Oh, and it's raining.
And it's starting to rain again, so we might be heading for cover very shortly.
That's all right.
Coffee. Blueberry muffins. Out of the rain. And getting warm.
Yeah, we're really getting stuck into these muffins this morning. They are sensational. And the only way to eat it.
And they're warm too.
They're so good, truly. Did you just drop it down yourself?
Go away.
Yay, we're at Smith's Lakes and we've found frothy coffee. We saw a sign, so we just followed it and here we are. Actually, the lake looks fantastic. It's still raining, but we're out having an adventure again today, aren't we?
Yeah, we could almost have brought the kayaks today and had a paddle, except it's cold and wet and still miserable.
Well, it's wet in the water. You get wet anyway, hey?
Just about over the rain, let me tell you. It's been raining for what?
I don't know.
The whole week. Anyway, let's go and get a coffee.
Let's go and get coffee. This is the girls from Frothy Coffee.
Join their thing, and we're looking forward to a frothy coffee.
And some of this. That's over there.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Good job.
Anyway, we're back.
And we're not getting out of the car just yet because it's too bloody wet.
It is. I'll agree with that.
We'll have to wait for this scud to blow over. They come in like F111s.